Hello everyone. Before I start, I want to ask you something. Can we create electricity without using batteries? Sounds impossible, right? But today I'm going to show you how you can create electricity using just the power of wind. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to tell you something. What materials you are going to get inside our this quick science box. So let's see. You are going to get a polycarbonate glass, two candy sticks, few alligator clips, one dynamo, a propeller, a double-sided tape, one masking tape. You are going to get a paper pinwheel template. Later I'll tell you how to do with this. You are going to get a straw and few LED lights, coin cell and push pins. Now, first of all, I want to show you to start with the basic pinwheel. Okay, first I'm going to teach you. See, you all know what does wind turbine do. Wind turbine converts like wind energy of air into electricity, right? But first of all, we are going to learn how to convert wind energy into a mechanical energy, how things move. So for that, start with a pinwheel template. You are going to get this pinwheel template in our quick science box. So first of all, you need to cut out this square portion, cut out the dotted line which is shown here from all the four sides. And you are going to get something like this. This is so cool, isn't it? Look at this. I'm going to move it. See, this is going to be your pinwheel. You are going to get the straw. Just fold all the blades like this. It should be in one direction. Okay. See, I have folded all the propellers in one direction. Okay. And you have to just insert a push pin and a masking tape so that it doesn't fall out. Okay, let's see how this thing works. And you need something to blow the air, and the best thing is to take your mom's hair dryer. Okay, I'm going to start this and just see how this thing moves. Okay, so let's start. Look at this. This is my, look at this, it's so cool, isn't it? This is my pinwheel template. Okay, and you can run. If you run, then also this thing will move. Okay, so try this thing. Now let's move it to the second step, how to make wind turbine, actual wind turbine, how to convert wind into electricity. So let's start. I'm going to keep all this thing aside and let's just focus on building the wind turbine. First of all, take the base, which is your polycarbonate glass, and the two candy stick. Perfect. Now take some masking tape to attach or to create a stand for your dynamo. Okay, so I need two pieces of masking tape. Use scissor, but make sure use scissor carefully or with some adults. Now this is my candy stick. I'm going to attach this on one side of the polycarbonate glasses. Now same thing you have to do on the opposite side now. Okay, clear? Now let's do the same thing on the opposite side. Done. Now my base or my stand of wind turbine is ready. As you can see in my box, this is how you have to build. Okay, now this is the dynamo. Now this is going to convert the wind energy into electrical energy. As I show you, this is just wind into mechanical, moving, motion energy. Now let's convert it into electrical again. Now this time you need two pieces of double-sided tape. This is also included in the box. Now let's take the two pieces. Perfect. Now take the wrap from the one side and you have to stick it inside the candy stick. Make sure your double-sided tape should be on the inside. Let me show you carefully and clearly. Okay, this is going to be the one side, and same thing you will do in the other candy stick on the opposite side. Done. Now this dynamo is going to act like a chopstick. Now this candy stick is going to hold the two dynamos and make sure you press it little hard so that it doesn't fall out every time. So now, as you all can see, it's done. Just to make it a better holding, you can attach your masking tape also from the top side as well as from the bottom. Now for more support you can say, okay, and press it again so that this masking tape holds it properly. Now same thing I am going to do it from the bottom to give it a more support like this. Now your dynamo is properly secure. Perfect. See, it won't fall now. Now the last step, just to take your propellers, and see, we are going to provide you propellers also in the box. You have to just make sure, give a folding to your propellers in one direction so that it can cut the wind properly and can easily generate electricity. Now I am going to attach this to the dynamo. As you can see, make sure you attach it properly, it should not come out every time. Done. Now let's take the alligator clips. Now attach alligator clip on one of the terminals of the dynamo, okay, and take your another alligator clip and attach to the second terminal of your dynamo. And this is okay. It's a bit tricky, but not that much. Okay. Now we are done with attaching with the dynamo. Now what exactly you are going to turn on with this? So we have given you few LED lights also. You have got red, you have got yellow, you have blue, green, every color we have given you. So before you attach LED light to your dynamo or the wind turbine, first let's show you how this thing works. See, we are giving you the coin cell, okay, and this is your LED light. See, LED light has two legs. One is the bigger one, other is the shorter one. So you have to make sure the bigger leg goes on the positive of the coin cell. See, if I put like this, see, it turns on. You can clearly see, right? But what if I flip it? It won't work. So don't think if your LED light is not working, that does not mean LED light is like bad or it's not working. You just have to flip it and it will work again. Okay. Same thing, go with the green one. See, it looks so cool, right? You have got multiple color LED light for you. So you can try it all. Perfect. Now let's do it with our wind turbine. See, as I showed you, you just have to attach the two alligator clips on the back of the two terminals of the dynamo and then take any one LED, whichever you like. Let's take, mine is green. So let's take this and attach to the two ends of the alligator clip. Okay. Okay, one is done. Now let's take the other one. Now again, for this you need some wind source, right? You need a wind source to turn your wind turbine, because wind turbine works on the power of wind energy. So this is my wind source. Now let's check it. Okay, now I'm going to, let me take it behind. Okay, now I want you to observe. See, now why this is not working? Can you tell me why this is not working? See, this is not working. Now what we have to do? See, if your LED is not turning on, what you have to do? You have to just flip the terminals of the LED light. So I have did this. Now let's check this again. Okay, take the hair dryer and let's turn it on and see. See, instantly you can see your LED light gets turned on. So this is how your wind turbine works. Okay, initially you saw wind turbine, this is your pinwheel, or you can call it as a mini wind turbine, and this is your actual wind turbine. In this you converted wind into mechanical energy, and in this you converted wind into electricity energy. Okay, and see, I just want to clear you some science behind it, what actual science is working on this. we have used the principle of conservation. That means energy cannot be created. We can never create the energy. Energy is always converted from one form to other form. The way in this we have converted wind of hair dryer into electrical energy. As you can see, you can turn it into electricity, and same way here we have converted wind into mechanical energy or the moving energy. So kids, remember it. And you know how actual windmill looks like? It's almost 50 tower tall building. You can imagine, this is so huge. And wind turbines are actually placed near like oceans or desert, where they can get actual amount of wind to move these turbines, because these turbines are huge. They look small, but they are really huge. So kids, keep experimenting, and thanks for watching Quick Science.